Are you tired of the old or broken hold-down bolts in your Cummins engine? Well, look no further than the XDP black phosphate fuel injector hold-down bolts. These bolts feature a resilient black phosphate finish that can withstand the harsh conditions inside the valve cover. The coating on these bolts is specifically designed for better adhesion and corrosion resistance, ensuring that your bolts remain durable and long-lasting. These bolts are an essential component of your injector system, ensuring that your injectors are securely fastened to the head and the injector connector tubes are properly aligned. Designed as a direct fit replacement for the factory bolts in your Cummins engine, the XD536 is easy to install and comes with everything you need to replace your old, worn-out injector hold-down bolts. Replace your engine hold-down bolts today with the XDP black phosphate injector hold-down bolts and experience the benefits for yourself. Shop now at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.